Hey guys, it's Holly, and today I'm going to be giving you guys a full room tour. So last week I did a redoing my room kind of video so you could see the process, but now we're going to go more into detail. I will link that video either in the little card up here or in the description down below. It'll also be linked at the end of the video, so take your pick. So yeah, let's just get right into the video. Okay, so I'm gonna go more in depth, obviously, but this is just the overview of my bed and my, this my mirror area. I have a little ottoman, so, sorry, I was testing out tripod angles and I don't think it's gonna work, so, okay. So I have a tapestry on my roof, which you can see in my redoing my room video. It was extremely difficult to put up there. It's time-lapsed, so you can't feel all the process, but I think it took probably about 10-15 minutes. This is my bed. I have 3 blankets on it and an ugly green sheet, which hopefully one day we'll be replacing, but as I've learned, sheets are expensive. So then I have this little ottoman thing. So in here I have my little travel journal thing, which is just like future traveling plans. A blanket, a little bralette that I crocheted, extra decorations, some record cases, but not the records, and a little food in that shoebox. Yeah. So, turning around, I have an Xbox that hardly gets used, the controller, my little remote control to my little laser light thingy, some fake leaves that I found outside, which is really weird. My little succulent. This is Plante. Yeah, I'm proud of him. My cat's bed that he never uses. Then I have some records for decoration, but I just got these from Goodwill. So yeah, moving over here, I have some photos of me and my friends, and some photos that I took while I was traveling. So yeah. Oh, and my baby cat, that's my cat when he was a little kitten, and me when I was not a little kitten. That's not cute. Okay, moving on. Okay, this is like one of my favorite parts of my room because this is like, yes, okay. So this is a little instant holder. I promise I'm not going to go through every little detail, but this is a little instant holder that I got from, what is it called? Something. Anyway, it's a little, like, hippie kind of shop. It's a chain, so they just don't have any near me. I have a candle, which I'm setting on top of my little crystals book. It's a book about crystals. Another candle that is dead, so I'm just using it to, you know, melt more candles. This little thing that says suck an egg, because some people just need to suck an egg. Yeah, and this little thing that says inspire. I'm not really for like the cheesy quotes, but I do like sunflowers, so. Oh, and then this is currently my Pink Sands candle from Yankee Candle inside of a dead candle. So moving down here, this is my little instant holder, which wasn't centered. That annoys me. My little crystals. I love crystals. These are on a little platter because these are the real expensive ones. This one was like $10, and then these were probably like $3 to $4. These on the sides, I'm not really convinced that they're real because I got them from like little shops, so I keep them separated from the expensive ones. One of the coolest ones, and that I found people find like the coolest, are like, nor am I broken now, are like that. It's something, it's lab grown, but it starts with a B. Can't remember. I have my little salts, my sage, my Romeo and Juliet that I swore I was gonna finish like 2 summers ago, never did, and my tarot cards. My currently broken salt lamp, I took the bulb out. The little candles, little Tootsie Roll thing that I used to keep little foreign money in, so not really sure what this is from, but yeah, I keep like little foreign coins and money from different countries, and I have some candles that have been retired. Empty kombucha shot things. Those are really disgusting. But, you know, I mean, I think they work. Then a bunch of little Yankee candles I got a few days ago from the mall. They were on sale. Oh, and then I have my essential oils, my essential oil diffuser, and more fake crystals. Over here, I just keep my broken guitar, but I think it looks cute. It was a gift when I was like 6, so I kept it. That's the video for next week, but I'm trying to find a time where everybody's out of the house so that I don't have everybody running through the kitchen. This is just a little thing that was like a hand-me-down from one of my friends. My thermostat. Sorry, I'm breathing so heavy. That's annoying. Sorry, there was a bunch of noise. This is just flower crowns that are broken that I put on there for decoration. Over here I have my magazines and yearbooks. My little thingy. Again, not big for the, you know, odd sayings, but I like the font. This is a candle that I literally only have burned twice. Once in my final cut for my renovating my room and once now. A little broken clock. Never has the timer. Oh, it has the timer right twice a day, I guess. That I got from, Goodwill. Little cheap glasses that I got off of Wish. Then I just have little fake books, which, what lies in them will remain a secret. Sorry, that was stupid. This is a little picture of my cat, but they screwed up printing it, and I just haven't had a chance to go back. Obviously, I'm not gonna like try to return the picture. Like, it was probably like 50 cents. I don't really care that much, but anyway, I've got a Pink Sands candle, which I know I've had it for like at least 3 years, and it still burns, which is amazing. But Yankee candles don't burn that long anymore, and it's sad. That's a dead candle. This is a little frame that I got from Five Below, just because I loved the freaking pictures so much. That, and then I have my yarn, and then, yeah, my magazines and stuff. So, moving on over here. Sorry, it's gonna be pretty loud. I feel bad every time I walk over there. If I can stay out of the mirror's view. Yeah, I have sorry, I'm all spaced out. I have pictures of me and my friends. This is when we went to the movies. That, not quite sure where we're going, but that is literally one of my favorite pictures ever. Yeah. That's my laptop, so that in the morning I'm homeschooled, so I can just grab it, throw it on my bed, which they say don't do that, but it's whatever. I have a bunch of Polaroids of me and my friends and my pets. And that's sweet baby Luna. I gotta get him on my channel sometime. Oh. This is also from that little hippie shop. It was a gift from one of my friends. So it came from the same place as this incense holder. Oh yeah, I keep my ukulele over there. That's pretty much it. I have this little hallway into my room, my closet, which isn't gonna be cute. It's a freaking mess. There's a pillow because it's like, it doesn't match the aesthetic of this video, so I threw it in there. That's the secret. Yeah, so this is my crib. Oh yeah, and behind my TV I just have a few things. I have, this one's an interesting one. It's a shadow box, which is meant for like money for festival funds. It was my shadow box that I kept all my money in, which I changed to that one because I like the black better than like the white and pink. So now I have all my skateboarding stickers. So when I get a new skateboard, I'm gonna put all of those, or longboard. Sorry, someone got on to me. They're like, it's not a skateboard, it's a longboard. If you longboard, you would say longboard. I was like, I don't really care. Some little crystal bracelets that I got, or this one's wood, this one's crystal. I got from that little hippie shop thing. Yeah. Oh, and then I have some nail polish and a little coffee filter because my nails broke. Yeah. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. I have 2 other rooms out there, but they're not in touring things, so maybe for my 2019 room tour, I will include them. I didn't really talk about the curtains. These are curtains that I hemmed myself, if you cannot tell. They're not gonna focus. Oh well. They were like 8 feet long, so didn't need that. My little H, which used to be pink, but I painted black when I was just trying to make my room really dark. But yeah. This is the room that took me very long to do. I know the video you don't really see it, but it took so long. Over here, this is kind of like my nightstand area, so if I get like hungry, I have sunflower seeds, hot Cheetos, and popcorn, but I'm going on a new diet, so we won't be touching those. That's my old phone, which I use so I can log into old Instagram accounts, because this one's all maxed out on Instagram. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. I think I have some random stuff, some water and trash behind there, a cat toy, and my next video idea. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below some video suggestions. And I will see you guys in my next video.